Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to send crypto from your Robinhood desktop app in 2025. Whether you're a crypto newbie or a seasoned trader, this step-by-step guide will have you transferring assets like a pro. With the crypto world evolving fast, Robinhood has made some updates to make things even smoother and more secure. So, let's get started. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Robinhood desktop app. If you haven't already, download the latest version from the official Robinhood website to ensure you have all the 2025 updates. Once you're in, head straight to the Crypto tab on the main dashboard. It's usually right there on the left sidebar for easy access. Now, select the cryptocurrency you want to send. Robinhood supports a bunch of popular ones like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. Click on it, and you'll see your wallet balance. Next, look for the Send or Transfer Out button. It's prominently displayed to make things user-friendly. This is where you'll enter the recipient's wallet address. Double-check this carefully. A wrong address could mean lost funds forever. After entering the address, you'll need to specify the amount you want to send. Robinhood will show you any transaction fees up front, which in 2025 might be lower due to their improved network integrations. Hit Review to see a summary of your transaction, and if everything looks good, confirm it with your two-factor authentication for added security. Once confirmed, sit back and watch the magic happen. Transactions usually process quickly, but it can vary based on network congestion. And that's it, you've successfully sent your crypto. Remember, always keep an eye on market trends and your portfolio's security. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay savvy out there.